Are you getting any kickback from your buyers on signing the buyer broker agreement? I'm curious what you guys are going through. Let me know. Anyway, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of Fridays with Frank. Hey, well, here we are. Another Friday, getting close to the weekend. And the question I have for you is, what has your experience been like working with buyers that are very accepting of the buyer broker agreement? Or for some of you, are you getting kickback with people that have a tendency not to sign anything in writing in contracts as far as they owing you money? So it has come to my attention that there has been some kickback from some people, and but we've got increase in listings. So that means that, we're out showing and we're out working with buyers. Plus, with the reduction of the interest rates, it seems to be a perfect storm, by the way, which is a bad word now, especially in Florida. But I was just curious to see, what is the feedback like from your guys' end? If you could just reply and let me know, that would be great, because it helps me further help you, and then we can move forward. We're teaching, coaching, and training. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy it. And we'll see you here next Friday on Fridays with Frank.